Ever feel like your mind is a browser with 50 tabs open, and somehow one of them is playing music but you can't find it? Life gets loud, tasks pile up, emotions spiral, and suddenly, thinking clearly feels impossible. But what if I told you there's a way to clear the mental fog? Fast, let's fix that. Here are 7 simple steps to help you think clearly, even when everything feels out of control. Step 1. Breathe first, think later. When your brain is panicking, your logic shuts down. So pause. Take 3 slow, deep breaths. This resets your nervous system and brings clarity back online. No oxygen, no focus. Simple. Step 2. Write it all out. Your mind is for processing, not storage. Grab a notebook. Dump every thought, worry, and task in your head onto paper. Suddenly your chaos has shape, and shape gives you control. Step 3. Ask, what's in my control? Overwhelm comes from trying to solve things you can't control. Focus only on your next move. You can't control the storm, but you can control how you steer the boat. Step 4. Do a 5-minute reset task. Clean a small space. Take a walk. Drink water. These tiny wins calm your brain and make big problems feel smaller. Step 5. One thing at a time. Multitasking is a myth. It splits your focus. Pick one task, do only that. When you do less, you actually get more done, and with less stress. Step 6. Disconnect to reconnect. Silence the noise. Turn off your phone for 30 minutes. Your brain needs silence to think straight. Distraction is the enemy of clarity. Step 7. Talk it out. Say your thoughts out loud, or talk to someone you trust. Verbalizing helps organize thoughts. Sometimes just hearing your own voice makes the solution obvious. Look, overwhelm happens to everyone, but clear thinking, that's a skill, and now you have the tools to train it. So next time life feels too loud, pause, breathe, write. Focus on what you can control, because even in chaos, clarity is possible. Now take a breath and go win your day.